Yeah, Ritik, today I will give you the examples, the project structure, how it is look like, and resources, drawables, values folder, why it is required, and all these files I will explain you one by one. Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay.
So first thing, um, every project manifest file is the important file we need to look for any project. Okay.
Okay.
This project only we need to understand the project. If any Android application take that contains at least one launcher activity, okay?
Okay.
From this launcher activity, we will tell our Android system start from this activity, okay?
Okay.
By default, Android will give you one launcher activity. So when you when you run your application, the application will run on screen. Okay.
Okay.
Will tell our Android system to run from this activity. After that, depends on the clicks and depends on the navigation, it will follow. Okay. But
Okay.
at least one activity should start from first, right? That is from the launcher. Okay.
Okay.
And
So you define the launcher activity in the manifest, right?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have two activities, okay. See,
Yeah, if you have two activities.
see, I am clicking on this file and this.
Yeah, I can't see your video.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You can see my screen.
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay, Android Studio also, right?
Yeah, I can see the studio.
Okay. So, see, here we have an activity, and I'm creating another activity. See, I'm clicking on here, right? If you want to know where this file exists, then you need to click this option. Okay, select and find. If you click on this option, it will go to the file. Okay.
Right. Okay.
And I'm just Control C and in place Control V. Second activity, I written another activity and going. You can see, right? So first, wait, I will start my advisor so that you can see my phone also. And if you don't want your second activity as launcher, then it should be default. Okay.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't get it.
If you don't want your second activity as launcher, then it
right, okay. You can set it to default, right?
Yeah. By default, the activity uh, not mentioned in that intent filter that is under default only. You can remove this code also. It is fine. Okay.
Okay.
So first, I'm running my code. This is my phone. It is installed and it is installed. So if you see here, in application is only one app is installed, right?
Right.
So if you give two launchers, it will install two applications.
Applications. Okay.
But one is from another start from second activity. Okay.
So
Like this. I will show you that too. Okay.
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So you need to be very specific which one is a launcher. Okay.
Okay.
And the main important purpose of the manifest file is the permissions. By default, Android application doesn't have any permission. Okay. You need
Okay.
which permission you want.
Hmm.
Okay. If you want to access internet from your application, then you need to take internet permission. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Because there are different permissions are there. If you want to access Bluetooth, then Bluetooth permission. If you want to Bluetooth scan, then Bluetooth scan permission. Different camera. If you want to access your camera, then you need to access camera permission. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, you need to be specific which permission you want. And
Okay.
one thing, the mentioned permissions in this here not doesn't allow Android to give all this permission to your application, because some permissions are system permissions and some permissions are runtime permissions. Okay, you need
Okay.
some code to get that permission Android runtime. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, that is the thing. And coming to here, every activity you need to mention your application tag. Okay, after that only uh, it will be accessible. If not, it will not consider your activity. Show you one example how it will work. Okay,
Okay.
you click right. Okay,
Hmm.
and one more thing here, I'm writing one simple intent. Okay,
Hmm.
intent to activity dot class. Okay.
Okay.
The second activity, I didn't mention your manifest file. Okay,
Hmm. Right.
I'm running my code. On this time, application will crash, I think. Okay, wait.
Okay.
It is okay. I'm clicking on this. See, application crash. So
Okay.
yesterday I told you, right? This error will come. Error. Okay, error
Right.
will be by using this option. See the error caused by activity not found. Unable to find the explicitly class second activity means the second activity not found in your class. It is already there, but you need to mention your activity in your manifest file. Then only it will become. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that is for sure. Every activity
Should be mentioned in manifest.
that
Okay.
broadcast receiver should mention in your manifest file. Then only it will be accessible. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
I written my second activity in this application tag. So I'm running my again. Ritvik, if you are not found, if you are not understanding anything, let me know. I will explain.
Yeah. 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 So far, it's all clear.
Okay, fine. See, I'm clicking here. So it is going right. Click.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this.
Right.
Now we didn't get any error. Okay.
Okay.
This is the way you need to mention your activities in your manifest file. Okay. And
Okay.
one more thing. Coming to first. Now manifest file mainly for permissions and these activity mentions, and there are different things. Service also. Okay. Service,
Okay.
service and receiver. Okay. Receiver means
Okay.
authorized receiver. Service means intent service and general background service. I will tell you in future classes what is this for. Okay.
Okay. So no matter what the version is, like we have to mention it in the manifest, right? That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. And yeah, so coming to this structure, I'm going to Android view. Now I explained manifest file, right? So coming to this, we have two activities. Okay.
Okay.
All the code whatever you are writing, that should be in Java only. Okay. If it is in Kotlin, Kotlin only. Okay.
Okay.
And in single project, both Java and Kotlin we can also write. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah,
If you want to convert the whole Java code to Kotlin, there's like some method, right? Could you show that?
yeah. See, you can see this is an activity, right? If
Yeah.
you to convert this to activity to Java, sorry, Kotlin, then you can use this option, convert Java file to right click, convert Java file to Kotlin file. Okay.
So it converts this one, or it'll create a new Kotlin file.
It will create a new Kotlin file, but it will remove this Java file.
Okay.
Okay. If you want, I will convert now. See, but before that, you need to configure this one. When we created our project, we didn't added Kotlin dependencies, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that dependency we need to add. After only this conversion is possible.
So when we are converting to Kotlin from Java, is it like accurate, or like do we have to go and fix things in Kotlin?
We need to fix sometimes but sometimes it is not accurate that much. So we need to go and fix that errors.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes if you use any third-party libraries, that libraries doesn't support these Kotlin things, then we need to go and fix that. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Here, for the images you have, that should be added in these two files or these files. Okay.
Okay.
See, here we have different types of DPI and DPI screen access game. Okay. These are different solutions. These are different resolutions. We have different types of screens, right? One is if it is a small one, we have MPI. If it is high resolution, we have HDPI. If it is very high resolution, HDPI. If it is for the tabs, these two resolutions will use. Okay. If you are
Okay.
application only for tabs, you can add your images in these two. Okay.
Okay.
That is a way. And if it is for all, you can add this. You can add your images into this folder.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
default, Android has some images. I will show you how to import that image. See, a drawable, right click. Okay. Once you right click, then new to vector asset or image asset. Vector asset I am going. If you click on this option, click on, we have these Android contents. Okay.
Okay.
You want any of these images. So for suppose I'm using this image. Okay. And next. Okay. .xml file finished. That image will add here. See that image added here. And if you want to access that, you can access by using and taking image here. Image view. Image the image came right
Right.
like this. You need to access whatever the images are, we can easily access from this option. Okay.
So
And
where do you set the application image?
this one,
Yeah, I mean, like this is like you're putting an image in the activity, right? I'm talking about like the launcher image essentially.
launcher image, I will tell you. See, every launcher image set on that manifest file only. Okay. We
Okay,
have
okay,
icon option. Okay. We
okay,
icon option. In this icon option, we will set our manifest image. Okay. This is the manifest.
okay,
For suppose this manifest image I am changing from, okay,
okay.
and wait here we need to remove all these files, or else generally what we do is we have uh, icon generator site is there. Okay, I have icon generator. In this site you can generate any image. If this is the image, you can give some padding here. Okay, and
Okay.
can change your background color also. Okay, and see now I am using circle, right? Fine. I see launcher and download option. This download option will download that icon and it contains all these files. I think, right? Okay, it contains all these files. So I am copying all these files, copy, and in resource folder I am pasting or write off. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So right. I don't want all these files.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why I'm removing. I don't want these files. So coming to here, we have one launcher icon, and that is this one. Now I am running. Right? And I am running my code. This is see, I can change.
Okay, got it.
Got it right? And in this is the way we need to change our app icon. Okay.
Okay,
If you want
okay.
to change your application name, then you need to go here, string app name by default application name. Okay. We need to change from application name to some WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, okay.
My application. So see, even from app name also, it is from manufacturer. See, okay.
Okay.
See here my screen now WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
This you need to change your application name and app icon. Understand, right?
Right, got it.
And now coming to layout, these things depend along with what is this wrap content, match parent, and how it will work. Okay. And coming to here, uh, whatever the strings we are having, that right here only. Okay. For suppose we should take any gray. Okay. Slash gray. Okay? Or suppose if you take any so suppose this is a string. In this we have three strings: flight status, check-in, book flight. Okay, these should be we need to mention here only. Okay, strings dot file like this, and this one should be this is the name is key. This is value. Okay? This is the key and this is the value.
Right.
And keys should be in small letters and there is no space. It will not accept any space. Okay.
Okay.
So, written one string here and that I'm accessing from here. We have hello world here, right? We have hello world here and I will increase so that it can be visible. We have hello world here and now I am accessing the string at the rate string. What is the string ID flight status? Like this, you need to access your string
Oh,
XML. Okay,
got it.
got it right? And to run that will come. Before we have .xml file, we have some color. If you want to add any new color, like this, if you want to write any new line, we can use Control D as an option. Okay, Control D, mention some color, gray. Okay, in
Okay.
this you can use some picker. Okay? I generally use this one. You can use any one, no problem. This is this color I am picking. Okay, and you need to give that color, so it will come here. If you want to change this color, you can directly change, no problem. Okay,
Oh,
by these options. So it will automatically set that color. Okay,
okay.
you can you see it is changed, right? So if you want to access that color, text color at the rate where that colors.xml. So color slash what is that name? Gray, right?
Yeah.
I changed my text color to gray. It is going. You can, if you are not sure, then control click on that. It is navigate to that color only. Okay, I'm changing
Okay.
from this color. Then you will get to know it is changed directly or not. See, okay,
Okay.
like this, you need to change your colors and anything. Okay, and
Okay.
yeah, themes generally used for uh, by default we have dark action bar theme. On top of this, if you want to apply any theme, we can generally write from parent name and all.
So theme for the Android Studio editor, right?
Sorry,
The theme you are applying is to the studio editor, right?
no these themes for our application only.
Okay, application themes. Okay.
I mean, yeah, these themes we need to access from Manchester. Okay?
Okay.
By default, we have these themes. Okay, see this one, right?
So in themes.xml, we add the code for dark mode, right?
Yeah, dark action bar. We have different types. Okay, if you use no action bar, then I'm running my application.
Like to make the whole app in dark mode, I saw it on the Google website, like the Android Studio website, that there's this code that we need to add.
Yes. Uh, you can see my screen, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I changed dark action bar contains what is this action bar. Okay, we have some application name came, right? Wait, I will show you the difference. This one. Okay, and when I do, if you don't want that application name, then you need to change your theme. Simple to no action bar, and I'm running my application. Then this thing will disappear. Okay, see the screen, it will disappear. Understand, guys?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Got it right? Like
Yeah.
we will use the themes. Okay. If you want to change over this color, then these are the things. These are the colors for changing these status bar colors and all. Okay. If
Okay.
here we have these things. In the themes, we are connected. So if you change these colors from here, then it will automatically change. Okay.
Right. So if you are going to change like themes, and if you want to set dark mode, light mode, all that, we do it here only, right?
Yeah. These are the
Okay.
different themes. Okay. Depends on your requirement. You can use it. Generally, we use no action bar or dark action bar. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. And so themes no added, right? Okay. Yeah. See here, this is very important file in your Android project. Build.gradle file. Okay. And coming to here, These are, first one is dependencies. For suppose if you want to add any dependency, means for for suppose you want to add a network thing, so you need to add from here to projects dependencies. You have this option, add dependency. If it is library, you need to click on library. So for suppose retrofit and search, it will show you that list. If you know the exact name, then you can directly add it there and the dependencies on. If you don't know that exact name, then you need to go like this. Okay.
Right, right.
And Ritik, these things I am recording. If you have any doubts, check again this video. I will give you
Yeah,
the link. So
yeah,
that,
sure. Thanks. So far it's clear only. I have no doubts. But yeah, if I need anything, I'll ask.
okay.
So it's searching like your drive, right? Or is it searching like a
It is
centralized?
centralized.
Okay, fine.
Closing this and here is builder Gradle file, right? Here we have two repositories. One is Google and the other one Maven Center. It will check
Okay.
these two repositories for the dependencies and
Okay. So if it finds it, then we'll get like
yes,
available. Okay, yeah, okay. Makes sense. Yeah.
like this. Okay. Here we need to add that dependencies. Okay, whatever you want. And coming to here, whatever the application ID means your package name. Okay. Minimum SDK means minimum SDKs that support your application. Target SDK that support your, this is the max target your application will support. Okay. And this version code and version name is very important for the release. Okay. And
Okay.
every time you need to increase your version code when you release your application. Okay.
Okay.
For suppose I am releasing application with one with 1.0. Okay. Second time I need to give 2 with some
1.0, 3.0, yeah.
1.1.
Okay, okay, sure.
This is same also it will accept, but every time you need to increase your version code, then only it will update. Okay.
Okay.
And below number will not accept, Play Store will not accept. Understand?
Okay. Okay. I have to upgrade every time. Got it.
Yes. And this option is for running test cases. By default, it will add Android JUnit runner. Okay. And
Okay.
you this is enough to write your test cases. Okay.
Okay.
And these things build types I will tell you in another class. Okay.
Okay.
Cover. And compile options, by default Android 1.8 it will take. You can see if you want to change your compile options, project structure, and here Spk location, Gradle settings, and here you can change your any SDK, download any version of SDK and apply it. Okay.
Okay.
This is a way to change your Java compile version. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And this one you find, right?
Yeah, yeah. So far it's
Okay. And coming to here, local properties, this is your SDK location. Okay. Generally, local properties file contains your SDK location. If you want to know your SDK location, go to your SDK manager. It will show your location. Here, key users like this. Okay. If you change your SDK location, then this is your SDK. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to change your SDK location to some other place, then you can change your SDK here, edit and change it. Then it will automatically will take. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And coming to this one, we generally mention include app. Okay. Include this app folder. Okay. And sometimes we can add some modules also, new module. Okay. Here we can write some library, Android library and all. And if we want to add here, then that should be mentioned here. Include that module also. Then only both will be in one place. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That is generally that option will use very big project for a general simple applications. We will not use that option. Okay. And coming to these things, pardon? Yeah. Coming to these Gradle, it will give. It is by default when creating the app, it will generate this Gradle file. Okay. Whatever the version on that time the Android Studio have, that will give you. Okay. And
Okay.
this is for the default options only. And one more thing, while creating your app, these things build files will generate. Okay. These files, these simply as supporting files. Okay.
Hmm.
To run your application. And if you delete these build files, if you import your project again, then it will automatically create. Okay.
Wait, can you repeat that once?
If you delete your build files, okay.
Okay, if you delete build, like it won't work. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, delete or it will automatically create. Okay.
Okay.
And these, when you implement your when you enable your Git option, it will useful. We can add your Git ignore files. By default, we have .build file, right? So this folder, it is excluded. Okay.
Okay.
And these are the options with the process structure. So to maximum, tomorrow I will explain different how to access wrap, content, match, parent, and linear layout. What are the different types of layout? Okay.
Okay.
Try that and yeah, I will give you one task. Try it once. Okay.
Okay.
And let me know. See, simple task. You have an application, an activity. Okay. And
Okay.
you have create another application with some activity. Okay.
Okay.
When you create when you have a right button, means button or click, right? Right, click one. Hello, Aditya. Yeah, right a click here, but you need to open your second application.
Okay. App basically from one activity to the other activity we have to go using a click, right?
See, simple. When I click on this one, okay, When I click on this one, you need to open another application simply. That activity.
Okay.
Understand, right?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Activities are not in single project. Different projects create and open from this app to another app.
Okay.
Right?
Got it.
Try it so that you will get to know what is things are there and various
Okay, sure.
will understand. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, man.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you,
Okay.
Aditya.
Yeah.
Max. After 2 or 3 days, I will be free. We will connect. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Good, man. Thank you. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye bye.